Hello everyone, Shinto Bean here, and in this video I am introducing a website that I put together myself using WordPress. It's the first time I've done something like this. It's a brand new site, so at the moment there's actually no way to navigate to it from a search engine. You'll have to either click on a link to it or type in the URL manually. I was just thinking it would be really nice to have like a database where you have all of the cards currently in the game in one place, outside of the game itself, because of course you can, just go through your collection and look at all the cards. Even the ones that you don't own, which are grayed out, you can still click on them and look at the upgrade paths and all that stuff. But I wanted something that was a little easier to view multiple cards at once. And this is what I came up with. It's still a work in progress, it's not perfect. I'm looking at this on my tablet, but this is also the desktop version of the site. Unfortunately, it's not the best optimized to be viewed on smartphones. Yeah, this is what it looks like on a tablet. It's actually ideal looking at it on a tablet, I think. But yeah, on smartphone, you'll only be able to see like 2 cards at a time. And then, of course, you can manually zoom in to make it fit your screen better. But then there's like the banner at the top, which gets in the way too. So that's one of the downsides. I don't know if there are any experts on using WordPress out there who could give me some advice. If we go back to the main page, I do have like one single blog post introducing the website, and I do mention, so there's the combat cards database, which was made by Codex Creep. This website is amazing because it can tell you like the stats of the cards at every single level, as well as the traits. There's like the flavor text, and most importantly, you can actually search according to like faction, but also rarity and ready type traits, all this other stuff. There's also information about traits, special rules, and then the upgrades and stuff. So yeah, this is a really incredible resource. Unfortunately, this database has not been kept up to date, so it doesn't have any of the newer cards or warlords in the game. Which is why I wanted to take it upon myself to make something else that is up to date, and I intend on keeping it that way. Every time there's a balance pass, they change the stats of cards and sometimes even the traits. So I can pretty easily swap out the cards that get updated. Also, whenever they introduce new cards, which on almost a weekly basis, I can also easily add those into this database. And how I got the images was simply taking screenshots in the game of the cards. And these are all at max level. Unfortunately, that is the best I can do for you right now. But they appear in the same order as they do in your card collection. So for the warlords, I have like 3 warlords per row here. Got the extra card here taking up a massive amount of space. And then the bodyguards are 4 per row, starting with the cheapest costing bodyguards and just going on until you get to the most expensive bodyguards at the end. And I did have to do all of this manually, so there might be 1 or 2 cards out of order. And then I've also included a couple links to some relevant videos from my YouTube channel as well. So again, if you're looking at it on your phone, it's probably not going to look that great, unfortunately, but at least on the tablets or desktop, it looks better. And just having it in this format, I think, makes it a little easier to compare similar cost cards anyway, just seeing everything at the same level, because at the moment there's actually no way you can look at multiple cards at the same level at once. So that is one advantage of this website. You can also, of course, download the images if you want to use the image itself for whatever reason. And if you tap on the card, it actually opens up. It might take a little time to load, but it opens up another little card viewer, and you can scroll through these. You can actually see the date on which I took each screenshot. So yeah, there's that way to view them as well. On the blog post, I think this is the only place where you could actually leave a comment. But yeah, if you have any feedback or anything, any advice, anything you'd like to see modified or added to this website, you can leave a comment here, and I will take that into consideration. At the moment, all it is just a gallery of all of the cards currently in the game at max level, and really nothing more, but certainly could add additional stuff in the future. So let me know what you think. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.